Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally doing another haul video. I love watching haul videos and that is why I wanted to do one. And this time I'm doing an online plus street shopping haul. I did some online shopping and some street shopping, and that is what I'm going to share with you guys. So let's get started. So first I'm going to show you what I got from Myntra. I got three things from there, and the first one is this cardigan. It's a maroon and grey cardigan. It is something like this. The main USP of this was it's a kaftan style cardigan and it has slits on the side. As you all know, Mumbai winters are pretty normal, so it is perfect for that. The original price of this was 1899, but after discount I got it for 1200 or 100, I guess. And also something else that I liked about it was this tag. It says Mastan Harbour, the brand that I got it from, and inside there's a beautiful quote. It says the most important thing in an attire is the woman who is wearing it. And after reading that, I fell in love with this piece again. So the next thing that I picked up is my favorite piece from the whole haul, and it is this varsity style bomber jacket. I always wanted a jacket like this and I finally found it. So the color black and yellow is different and that is why I like it. The jacket itself is such a great quality. The main thing that I like about this is buttons. Usually you get jackets with zips, but this one has buttons and that is why I picked it up. This was originally for 1799, but I got it after discount for 899 or something like that. Such jackets give you that sporty kind of vibe, and I love it sometimes to have that kind of a look going on, and that is why I love this. This is also perfect for Mumbai winter, not too thick, not too thin. The third thing that I picked up is also a bomber jacket. I actually wanted to show it to you guys, but I cannot because my brother wore it today. I'll put up a picture here. It's a men's bomber jacket and I love the color combination of blue and grey. It's a very smart piece and that is why I picked it up for my brother. It's kind of his early birthday gift. I actually wanted to get a men's jacket for myself, but then I thought I'll get a separate jacket for him and me so I can use both of them. So now I'm going to show you what I got from Hill Road. The first thing that I picked up is this black and white striped crop top with a deep V-neck, and it's a very kind of casual piece, but you can also dress this up with some accessories and you're good to go. And this was for about 150, but I bargained it and I got for 120, I guess. Yes, I got this one for 120 and I absolutely love this. So the next top that I picked up was this. It is a very simple basic striped top with pink, grey and white small stripes. The material of this is amazing. It's very soft, very breathable. It is kind of tight for me, but it looks very chic and that is why I love this. I got it for 200 and it's a very basic piece, so I can wear it every day to college or even as a pajama top. It's perfect. So the next thing that I picked up is this grey cold shoulder top. I love the high-low hem of it, and the cold shoulder is also quite small, not like usual cold shoulders, and that is why I love it. I love the color of it. It's not plain grey, but it has some black and dark grey lines which kind of makes it look a melange grey kind of an effect, and that is why I love this one. I picked it up for 200, I guess. So the next thing that I picked up from Hill Road are these boots, and these are my favorite purchase from this haul. I absolutely love them. I love how perfect they are. The heel height is perfect, the material is perfect, and I also wanted boots with zips and that is what I got. It was a very impulse buy. I saw them and I bought it. I did not even think twice about it, and luckily they were of my size. And when I got home, I saw it said Urban Outfitters inside, and I was very shocked that I got Urban Outfitters boots at Hill Road for just 600 bucks, and it was the highlight of my purchase. So that's it guys, that was the haul. It was kind of rather short, but I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite thing from the haul and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I shall see you in the next video. Bye.